Hello, YouTubers, J Freaks, work done. Just done the swap. I put the engine with the engine hooks, with the engine motor mount hooks. This hook right here, and the hook on the back. This hook right here. Take off the strut bar to have a lot of play. Don't leave it right there because you don't want to take off the plastic. Hey, we're talking about a couple minutes. It's gonna save you a lot of time. I do this swap in 2 days with clutch, new clutch, putting the flywheel, torquing everything. And I think it's a really decent time for a swap like this. The gasoline hose is right here. Everything plug and play. This intake is like a second generation intake compared to the J30 because you don't have the flappers. You don't have these vacuums right here. But when I turn it on, the idle was really steady. And really, I recommend this swap. j35a6, 255 horsepower, 250 torque. Right now, I got my head's really decent build. Diamond cut, 3-angle valve, pressurization, whatever they call it. RL cams. Tomorrow, we're going to the street. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes like today. Using Pennzoil 1030 Platinum. Because I found a little really small pieces, but really like sheets of metal in the oil. But that's part of the use. I just want to go secure using thick oil, Pennzoil Platinum, really excellent oil for this time. The only thing you have to use is the water crossover right here from the J30. That's the only thing you have to swap. Everything else is plug and play. New timing belt, Mitsubishi. That's the Honda supplier. And man, that's it. Thank you for watching YouTube. Recommend this full. Remember my advice. Hasport front mount is gonna resolve you a lot of problems, man. These engine mounts are the best. Period. See ya next time.